We are here, day one. Oh my god, I'm about to get hit by the fucking branches. We're here, day one.
Cheers.
Yes, exciting. We've missed San Francisco because we're like, we're gonna see it at Rolling Loud. So we're here. Never in my life have I seen a 4-day Rolling Loud festival. So actually, I think it was actually 5 days because they did something yesterday, but it wasn't like officially under Rolling Loud. It was just one of the parties. So we'll see. Today is just Ty Dolla Sign and freaking Kanye. So we'll see how it is. The flight here, by the turbulence, unreal. It was giving roller coaster. So hopefully they rock our world tonight for all the fucking trouble we went through. Okay, check back soon.
Have a good night. Hi there. I'm just here to get paid. I'm just here to get paid. I'm just pretty dark-skinned nigga, only shooting Billy Blanks. I'm just here to get paid. 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 You know why I'm attention when I'm with you. All this bread is spending got us dizzy. Dollars all.
Oh, I'm not even flipping the fucking camera!
Try me once, you gon' pay with your life. All these guns on me, wish your sick bitch throw it up. Heard you got a man, but he ain't like us. Your bitty things ain't doing enough.
That shit fall off trees to me. We ain't even stressed, we the new kings and sheiks. We done made a mess.
Fuck her like a lover, I'm confused. She don't wanna go home, she refused. Hit it up and say about that pussy pulling. Top boy, I ain't the little one. Thugged out, bitch, nigga better get it done. I'm him on the beat, on the biggest one. It's all up in the party, I'm finna kill the fun. Yeah, you telling all the lies. Stay with the money, I'm a Yeezy and Dollar Sign. That pussy way you would've swore wearing a water line. The hoes love me cause I'm a water sign. All this money on the floor. She said you'll make mommy late for work. 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 I'm right now. Should I wanna fuck the world? I'm letting her post it. Should I wanna let you see back and shit my pole? Yeah. I'm like, baby, shit looking like my soul. I'm tryna fuck something right now. That little hoe, she tryna fuck something right now. I'm tryna fuck something right now. That little hoe, she tryna fuck something right now. Way too rich to drive around. Made $1 million on the stove. She let her put it in her nose. Pretty bitch on Counting up bills, I was raising the bar. She wanna taste the chicken, sweet, that will come back to my. This was just a presidential. I'm at a passenger, just make her eat me for dinner. All of my eyes, I can't see. I'm at the jump on my body, I'm ready to leave. I'm at the nut of her body and tell her whole leave. Feeding this stuff in the bed, tell the whole gang eat. Shake the body, tell her who fucking are with. I like the color, I'm feeling that hole in my sleep. Dollar signs all in my dreams, I've never seen it.
Don't cry for me. I hang with the vultures, niggas toasted. Hit you with a flip it over.
Since Rolling Loud listed it as a concert and not a listening party, a lot of people were mad. Overall, I don't think I would have spent the $140 to get in, but it was still a good experience.